Hey everyone, welcome back to Femme Secrets Hub. This is the place to be if you want to feel like the baddest B** teach in the lingerie game. Today we're talking about those little lingerie mistakes we've all made at some point. We're diving deep into the top 5 lingerie mistakes you might be making and, more importantly, how to fix them. So grab your glass of wine, get comfy, and let's get you feeling fabulous in your lingerie. How many of you are out there wearing the wrong bra size? It's more common than you think, and it can totally wreck your style and comfort. A bra that's too tight is like a torture device, and a bra that's too loose? Well, it's not doing you any favors in the support department. Getting your bra size right is easier than you think. All you need is a measuring tape and a little bit of patience. Measure around your ribcage, right under your bust for your band size. Then, measure around the fullest part of your bust for your cup size. If you're ever unsure, don't be afraid to get professionally fitted. Those angels at the lingerie store can help you find the perfect bra for your unique shape. Let's talk about lingerie care. Treating your delicates like your gym clothes is a big no-no. Hand washing is the secret to lingerie longevity. Fill up your sink with lukewarm water and add a little bit of gentle detergent. Swish your lingerie around gently, then rinse it thoroughly until the water runs clear. Do not wring it out, just gently press the water out. If you must use a washing machine, use a lingerie bag to protect it from the harshness of the machine. Air drying is the way to go. Lay your lingerie flat on a clean towel or hang it on a padded hanger and let it air dry. Let's talk about outfit coordination. The wrong lingerie can totally ruin your look. If you're wearing a tight dress, opt for a seamless bra or a thong. And if you're rocking an off-shoulder top, a strapless bra is your best friend. Lingerie is like a secret weapon. It can make or break your outfit. Choose wisely and you'll be looking and feeling your best all day long. Let's talk about comfort. No one wants to suffer for fashion. You don't have to sacrifice comfort for style, especially when it comes to lingerie. Confidence is the sexiest thing you can wear. Find that perfect balance between sexy and comfortable. Experiment with different fabrics, styles, and fits until you find what works for you. Ditch those uncomfortable pieces and embrace the ones that make you feel like the queen you are. When was the last time you took stock of your lingerie drawer? If you're holding on to those stretched out bras and faded panties from college, it's time for a refresh. Lingerie doesn't last forever. Over time, it loses its shape, elasticity, and color. Treating yourself to new lingerie is like giving your self-esteem a boost. When you feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. Replace your bras every 6 to 12 months, and your panties even more often. Invest in quality pieces that will make you feel like $1,000,000. Let's recap. We've talked about 5 common lingerie mistakes that might be holding you back from feeling your absolute best. We tackled the wrong bra size dilemma, lingerie care, choosing the right lingerie for every outfit, and the importance of comfort. Finally, we discussed refreshing your lingerie wardrobe regularly. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Femme Secrets Hub for more tips on feeling fabulous in your lingerie. Tell me in the comments, which of these lingerie mistakes are you guilty of making? Let's get real and help each other feel our best.